Hello, my name is Henry O. It is my pleasure to welcome you to online comprehensive English class. In the previous class, we treated the topic parts of speech. In that class, we saw that there are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We also saw that a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, concept, idea, or thing. In this class, we are going to treat the topic types of nouns. There are basically several types of nouns in English. They are common nouns, proper nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. Let's take them one after the other. Common nouns. What is a common noun? A common noun is a common name shared by a group of persons, animals, places, or things. It is not the name of a particular person, animal, place, or thing. The underlined words in the following sentences are examples of common nouns. Sentence number 1. There is a man in the house. What is the common noun in this sentence? The underlined word here, man, is a common noun because it is a common name shared by all adult males. Sentence number 2. A dog is barking outside. The underlined word here, dog, is a common noun because it is a general name shared by a group of animals. Sentence number 3. The girl has returned. The underlined word here, girl, is a common noun because it is a common name shared by all female children. Sentence number 4. Religion is the opium of the people. Religion is a common noun because it is a common name shared by all groups or forms of worship. People is also a common noun because it is not the name of a particular person. Sentence number 5. We took snacks for breakfast yesterday. The underlined word here, snacks, is a common noun because it is the name of all baked food. More examples of common nouns are boy. Boy is a common noun because it is a common name of all male children. Woman is also a common noun because it is the common name of all adult females. City is a common noun because it is the name of places. Country is a common noun. Why? Because it is the name of what? All sovereign nations or geographical locations. Car is also a common noun because It is the name of a set of automobiles. The first letters of common nouns are not written in capital if they appear at the middle or end of a sentence. The first letters are only written in capital if such nouns begin a sentence. Another name for common nouns is, in quotes, common names, also general names. Yes, we are progressing. Let's take a look at proper nouns. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place, or thing. It is the name that distinguishes a person, animal, place, or thing from others. The underlined words in the following sentences are examples of proper nouns. Sentence number 1. John is in the house. What is the proper noun in this sentence? John, because it is the name of a particular man. That is the name that distinguishes this man from every other adult male. Sentence number 2. Bingo is barking outside. What is the proper noun in this sentence? Bingo. You know why? Because it is the name of a particular dog. Whereas dog is a common name for a group of four-footed animals. But bingo distinguishes this particular animal as a dog from the rest of the group. That is what makes that name bingo proper. Sentence number 3. Deborah has returned. Deborah, underlined in this sentence, is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular girl, which distinguishes her from every other girl or female children. Sentence number 4. Christianity is a good religion. What is the proper noun in this sentence? Christianity. Why? Because it is the name of a particular religion which distinguishes it from every other form or group of worship. Sentence number 5. We took bread for breakfast yesterday. Bread, underlined in this sentence, is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular snack, whereas snack is the general name of all baked food. The first letters of proper nouns are always written in capital, irrespective of where they appear in a sentence, whether at the beginning, middle, or end. The first letter of a proper noun must be written in capital, even when such a noun stands alone as a word. More examples of proper nouns are Nigeria. Nigeria is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular country which distinguishes it from every other sovereign nation or geographical locations. The measure of the word Nigeria takes everyone's mind to a country located in the West Africa region. That is what makes it a proper name. Abuja is also a proper noun because it is the name of a particular city. The measure of Abuja takes every Nigerian's mind to the seat of the federal government of Nigeria, a city located in the northern part of Nigeria. Mercedes-Benz is also a proper noun because that is the name of a particular car. Proper nouns are also known as specific names or proper names. We are progressing. Let's now look at countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are those things that can be counted. They are also known as count nouns. Examples of countable nouns are chair, table, ruler, book, basket, egg, house, so on and so forth. One major characteristic of countable nouns is that they have singular and plural forms. The plural of these nouns is formed by adding an S to the singular form. So we can conveniently say ruler, singular, rulers, plural. House, singular, houses, plural. Table, singular, table, plural. So on and so forth. Another major characteristic of countable nouns is that they are preceded by a, an, some, many, a lot of, or figures to show singular or plural. So we can say a ruler, singular, two rulers, plural, some rulers, plural, many rulers, plural, a lot of rulers, plural, one house, singular, 5 houses, plural, some houses, plural, a lot of houses, plural, so on and so forth. The underlined words in the following sentences are examples of countable nouns. Sentence number 1, there is a ruler on the table, singular. The underlined word here, ruler, preceded by the indefinite article a, is a countable noun. That is preceded by the indefinite article a shows it is a singular ruler. Sentence number 2, there are 2 rulers on the table, plural. The underlined word here, ruler, preceded by the figure 2, is a countable noun. And that is preceded by the figure 2 shows that it is a plural form. Sentence number 3, there are some rulers on the table, plural. More examples are, there are many rulers on the table, plural. There is an egg in a basket. The word egg is a countable noun, preceded by the indefinite article an, to show that it is a singular. All right. There are 5 eggs in the basket. 5 eggs, as plural. Eggs here preceded by the figure 5. That shows it's the word in plural form. There are many umbrellas in the market today. That is plural. Precious has an umbrella, singular, because it is preceded by the indefinite article an. John has many houses, houses underlined. That is a plural. A lot of umbrellas in the market today are bad. The word umbrella is the countable noun underlined, preceded by a lot of as determinants. That is plural. The examples go on and on. Let's now move over to uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those things that cannot be counted. They are also known as uncount nouns. Anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Examples of such nouns are garri, rice, milk, water, salt, gas, air, etc. Unlike countable nouns, which can be counted, uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They can only be quantified. By quantified, I mean they can only be measured in volume, capacity, or weight. One major characteristic of uncountable nouns is that they do not have singular or plural form. Again, these nouns, that is uncountable nouns, are preceded by some, much, too much of, more, less. They are not preceded by the indefinite articles a, an. Also, they are not preceded by many. So, it would be grammatically wrong for one to say a milk and salt, many salts. Are we together? The underlined words in the following sentences are examples of uncountable nouns. Sentence number 1. Bingo has licked some of the salt in the plate. The underlined word in this sentence, salt, is uncountable noun because it is not something that can be counted. Sentence number 2. We have wasted much of the oil given to us. Oil is uncountable noun. Sentence number 3. Am I right? The cook will add some water to the soup later. Sorry, that is sentence number 2. Pardon me. Water is an example of what? Uncountable nouns, because we cannot count water. My examples are: we need 5 kilograms of gas to power the generator set for a night. The underlined word gas is the uncountable noun in that sentence. That is sentence 5, because gas cannot be counted. Sentence 4. There is too much of sugar in my tea. The underlined words sugar and the tea are uncountable nouns because they are not things we can count. That will be all for now. Thanks for being there. If you are not there, I cannot be here. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with others, drop a comment in the comment section, follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube from 4 to 5 p.m. every Friday. God bless you.